Good morning, students. I am G. Subhashini, TGT Social Studies, AP Balayogi Gurukulam, Rangapuram. How are you, students? I hope all are fine in COVID time. What is the present season? Yes, it is rainy season. How the seasons are occurred? Yes, the seasons are occurred the revolution of the earth. Students, today we discuss about the climate of India. Now we see definition of weather. The state of the atmospheric conditions once an area at a particular time referred to weather. There the weather condition fluctuates very often even in a short period. Weather conditions vary in short period is called weather. Then climate. Climate refers to such conditions over a large area and follows a similar general pattern over many years. For the long time, it's called climate. For short period, it's called weather. Elements of the weather and climate: temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, and precipitation. The pattern of these for a place can be shown using pictures and climographs. Climograph shows average monthly values of maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and rainfall for a given place. Now we see in the pictures climograph of a few pictures in India. Climograph of a few places in India. You see in the pictures the pink color line shaded mean minimum temperature. The blue color shaded mean minimum temperature. Next mean blue color rainfall. In the first climograph we show in the New Delhi. Second one and left. Third one, Jaipur. Fourth one, Chennai. We shown in the climograph the various temperature in various places. Now we see in the factors influence climate and weather. It is very important topic. Latitudes. You know the latitudes. Already we studied in 8th class, 9th class. You know the important latitudes. Do you know some important latitudes? Yes. 0-degree latitude is called equator. Then 23.5 degrees northern latitude is called Tropic of Cancer. At 23.5 degrees southern latitude is called Tropic of Capricorn. Now we see in the picture these three latitudes and we see in the North Pole and South Pole and also see in the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. The latitudes influence the climate and weather. A tropic as those close to the equator, a polar as those close to the poles. The temperature as those in between two extremes. The temperature of the atmosphere at a particular place near the earth's surface. India's southern part lies in the tropical belt close to the equator. Our country close to the equator. That's why latitudes influence the climate. The higher average temperature that the northern part. The India is situated roughly between the 8 degrees and 37 degrees latitudes, and the country is divided into almost two equal parts. Topic of the Cancer lies in the tropical zone. It influences the climate of and weather. Next, land water relationship. See the pictures. The warm day, cool sea beach, sea cooler, land warm. The second picture, first picture we see in the daytime, second picture we see in the night time. Nighttime bridges, cruel bridges, daytime hot bridges we seen in the pictures. Look at the pictures. India showing land cover and water bodies. The ocean bodies and losses heat more slowly than land. Water heats very fast and loss heat more slowly than land. Land it that affect the climate. A large part of the southern India, because of its long coastline, India have a long coastal line, comes under the moderate influence of the sea. Difference between the temperature of the day and night we see in the picture. It is the difference we see in the difference between the daytime and nighttime. We can appreciate the effect of the sea. Next, relief. The temperature decreases as altitude increases and relief. When the temperature decreases, then altitude increases. An altitude of the region influences the climate of an area. Often we see in hilly areas it is so cool than the low place. So the hilly areas are cooler compared to the places near the coast. Compared to the coast area, the hilly hilly places are so cool. For example, Simla, Nainital, Ooty, etc. Next, upper atmospheric circulations. The climate of India is also affected by the movement of upper air currently known as jet streams. A jet stream causes the neighboring atmosphere to the cool. The speed varies from about the 110 kilometers in summer to about 184 kilometers in winter, and jet stream causes the neighboring atmosphere to cool. So, students see some questions. Describe the India's climate control. This question is very important for the public examination for 4 marks question. Next, climate, weather, jet stream is also important to the 1 mark questions. Okay, students, stay home, stay safe, prepare well. Thank you.